Today's video is all about preserving fresh parsley so you can enjoy its flavor all year long. Freezing parsley is simple, locks in freshness, and makes sure you always have some ready for cooking. Here's how to do it the right way. Method 1. Freezing parsley in ice cubes, best for cooking. Step 1. Wash dry. Rinse parsley under cold water and pat dry with a towel or use a salad spinner. Step 2. Chop it up, remove the stems and finely chop the leaves. Step 3. Fill ice trays. Pack the chopped parsley into ice cube trays, then fill with water or olive oil. Step 4. Freeze store. Once frozen, pop the cubes into a labeled freezer bag. Method 2. Freezing whole or chopped parsley, best for garnishes recipes. Step 1. Prep the parsley, wash, dry, and remove any tough stems. You can keep the leaves whole or chop them. Step 2. Flash freeze. Spread the parsley on a baking sheet and freeze for 1 to 2 hours to prevent clumping. Step 3. Bag seal. Transfer to an airtight container or freezer bag, squeeze out the air, and label it. Method 3. Freezing parsley in oil, great for sauces dressings. Step 1. Puree the parsley. Blend parsley with olive oil until smooth. Step 2. Pour into trays. Pour the puree into ice cube trays or small containers. Step 3. Use as needed. Drop a cube into pasta, marinades, or roasted veggies for a quick flavor boost. Pro tips: no thawing needed. You can toss frozen parsley directly into hot dishes. Avoid freezer burn. Use airtight containers or vacuum seal bags. Lasts up to 6 months. For best flavor, try to use it within 3 to 4 months. Now you can enjoy fresh parsley anytime. No waste, just flavor. Which method will you try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more kitchen hacks.